Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we're going to edit a design for both DTF and screen printing, which is very popular today to get your or outsource your transfers online. And this program called Design Frame made by me is specially designed for that, for outsourcing. And by the way, if you buy this program, you will also get videos, very exclusive videos of how I make this type of designs and ideas for making your own designs too. So let's begin the tutorial. So the first thing we're gonna do is go to Special Tools and click on the background color remover. And once we click, we'll come to this page. And then now we're gonna upload the image that we created with AI, which is this one. And then now we're gonna increase the tolerance on this image and then click remove background. Okay, so we're gonna click on that and it remove all the black background, but it still has some details that I want to get rid of to make this image more like screen print effect. So we're gonna find a color that it's going to be close to other like colors, probably this one, remove background, and yeah, it looks better now. Now we can download this image and it's downloading. Now we are going to go back to design frame, turn on the black frame. We're gonna upload the image that we just removed the background, which is this one, cropped image. Now we're gonna increase the size and I'm gonna make a copy or a clone so I can show you the difference. But first I'm gonna get rid of this little details here. It shouldn't be there. So activate increase size of the eraser, and we're just gonna smoothly remove these parts here and then this one here, and we are done here. Alright, deactivate eraser. So now we're gonna make a clone. We're gonna go to clone 1 so you see the difference. Okay, so this one is perfect for DTF transfers, and the one here on the right, we're gonna assign this one for screen printing transfer. So we're gonna go to PNG color, and then we're gonna choose a color. You can do like white, you can do like purple maybe. So this is perfect for screen printing, one color, and you see the difference now. This is for screen printing and this one is the original, which is the DTF transfer. So we're gonna show you both two for this two logos. So we're gonna place them here on the side. We're gonna turn the white frame, and then we're gonna upload a t-shirt, a PNG that I have here, my favorite color. That's why I do a lot of designs for black t-shirts, because that is one of my favorite colors. And yeah, now we're gonna start with the screen printing one. So we're gonna place this here, and now see, you can here you can see how this design would look like on a black t-shirt. It'll be probably smaller, of course, but so that way you just get an idea of how these transfers would look like. Now I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller so that way it's more accurate, probably like this size. And we're gonna do the same with this one. And now let's move this to the side and place the DTF transfer here. And see that now I have another design here ready for my store. So I'm gonna download this image, and now I'm gonna go to my inventory page generator, which is generates like an inventory page, kind of like a website where you can display all your designs to your customers. You just upload the images that you just uploaded, like for example this one here. that I just made, and I have other designs here. So I'm gonna find, if I can find the other t-shirts, I might be able to find them. We'll see. No, I guess not, but I'm gonna upload the same one so you get an idea of what I mean by inventory. You can upload all your designs that you just made with all your different designs. I don't know what happened to my other files. They're somewhere, but I don't want to make this video too long. But I have other videos where I show you how this program works, kind of like a website. You type in the name of your store on the header. Right here you will put your main picture of the store. Down here will be the I guess you can call this section new inventory. You can add more rows or description boxes, and you can add more inventory. Same with the section down here, which there's 3 images, and you can add descriptions. Once you finish all your editing, you disable all the buttons, or you can also change the color of the text. It doesn't have to be red. Now you see that it changed to blue. We can change it to maybe brighter blue, and then we can change the black one to a red one. I mean, you can do a lot of stuff here. Once you have everything, then you can disable all the buttons and download your inventory page, in which you can create a QR code for this, so that way people can scroll down with their finger. This is 100% mobile. It will adapt to any cell phone. So yeah, watch other tutorials. I have more specific videos on where I show how this program works. And yeah, this is the difference between DTF and screen printing transfers. Like I say, if you're interested in this program, it will come with very specific videos on how I make these designs. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.